welcome back to my channel. So same day, different videos, so that is why I have the same outfit as my cleaning video. So this one I thought I would bring you guys along with me, so like a day with me. And this is while I am on Thanksgiving break because I work at a high school, so I get the breaks off, which is amazing. But I don't get breaks off of my school, my college, so I'm gonna be doing that later. But I've just been cleaning and just, you know, I got ready. Should have done a get ready with me also, but I didn't. I just put on, what I did was put concealer and just bring it all around my face, a little bit of bronzer, blush, highlight, a little bit of eyeshadow, but not really my normal thing. And yeah, I've just been cleaning and picking up a little bit, which you can see in my cleaning video. I don't know if that's gonna be before this one or after this one, but it will be up. So you guys can look out for that one. But my day is just, no, it's not really starting. I woke up at 10:30, 11, and it's 1:40 right now. So it's pretty late and I haven't eaten. So we're gonna start with that. I really don't know what I want. I have French fries right there that my parents cooked earlier, and I could just mix that with egg, but I also had that yesterday mixed with chorizo. I'll probably eat some waffles or a waffle right now. The hunger kind of passed me, so I'm probably just gonna eat one waffle. And then I just washed the dishes, so I think right now me and my sister are gonna go to Walmart so I can get stuff for a DIY video I am planning to do. Look at her, she's waiting for me to bring them in. Inside, you guys want to come inside? Oh, look at her little spin. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh. Change of plans. I was gonna eat waffles when my parents weren't home, so I didn't like. Me and my sister were just gonna go out to the store, but they're at In-N-Out and they're gonna bring us some, so I'm gonna wait on that because that sounds delicious. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna sit on the couch and watch some. I've been watching the Hunger Games, like the movies, and I'm on Catching Fire Part 1, so I think I'm gonna watch that. Meanwhile, I wait for them to come home with the food, and then maybe I'll go to the store with my mom and my two sisters so I can get the DIY stuff. Oh, I was just snacking on some chips. Meanwhile, I wait for my food to come. But and I was watching La Chica Rosa's new video on YouTube. Very cute. But I just remembered I have homework to do, so I'm gonna go do it right now. Meanwhile, I'm home. That way I'm not wasting time and I can get it done right now. Don't mind my mirror, it's dirty, but I can't tell if this matches or not. Or should I just change into a sweater because it's cold out? It's like 4 o'clock and we're barely about to head out. Well, I've been editing a video and then we just been like hanging out, but we're gonna go to like, I think the Marietta area so I can go return a foundation that I tried and it didn't work out. And then just to return some stuff and maybe look for things. But I do want to go to Walmart. I need to get some stuff for DIY, so that for sure we're gonna do. We're gonna return my makeup. We're at Marshall's now. We're just gonna look at some things. Why? That's cute. Wait, I like these cups. How are you supposed to wash your bag?
Go away from you.
Okay, mijo.
Hi.
Andale pues. I love you guys. Be safe.
Ew, don't make that. We came to Moreno Valley to look at like tea. Mom, ¿no vas a regresar cosas? Oh, well, we're just gonna look at the stores and then see if there's anything we want. And if not, then we just came to look. Ew. Oh, but it's a different brand.
Exactly.
But these were good. But this only has 3, Brenna.
Oh.
And that's $3. And this one
The champagne
is $4.
Oh.
This is the one we bought last time. And that one, somebody ate this one.
Ew.
This one, we got this one last time, but it's broken.
You know what? It kind of tastes like freeze dried.
It tastes nasty, but it tastes good at the same time.
Like the cookies. Mexicano chocolate, dark
Brownie? Could brownie batter cookies?
I want to make that.
Delicious. I think this is a yes. It's milk chocolate pecan caramel clusters.
Caramel snowman.
Cute.
Finally.
There's not. Look at that big gummy bag.
Oh, it doesn't even go up behind. It's right there.
Oh my! It's probably all melted down.
This is like the Lay's, but gummy version.
Wow, that smells delicious. Yeah, we'll take this one. Yeah. And we need, where's our brownie mix? This one?
This is fudge. Just fudge.
That's why, right here. That's what I'm saying. Do you think this one will be good? I'm being serious. Do we normally get that brand? What if this tastes nasty?
Well, then get this brand.
So this is what I picked up. We got candy melts, icing, marshmallows, whipped cream, brownie batter, strawberries, 2 different types of pretzels, and that's it.
Yo no.
Okay, can you stop watching? Okay, so I found the perfect birthday card for my brother. It says cheers to 30 years, and then on the inside it says it's all fun and games until it happens to you. Happy 30th birthday. He's not turning 30, but we just joke around that he's like old and that he's turning 30 and that he's old. So I'm gonna give this to him like as a gag birthday gift. We just got home, just taking the stuff out of the trunk, and then all the stuff I bought's gonna be for a video, like DIY Christmas snacks and all that. So I mean, that's about it. I don't know. We haven't eaten all day today. Ooh, what an angle. So I don't know what we're gonna eat, but I know tomorrow we're making lasagna. We bought the stuff for it. Do you guys want to see the tree my mom decorated? Look at that. Her video is up. I'm in pajamas now. I found what I wanted to eat. I'm gonna eat a Philly cheesesteak. It's from Costco. I'm just gonna eat that. Also the alcohol I bought, I'm trying it right now. It's alright. I'm sharing it with my dad. It's like lemon, guava, watermelon, and something else. I just want one that's gonna taste like watermelon and not alcohol, but it's alright. I think it's like 3% alcohol, so it's not that bad. It has like a wine aftertaste. I'm not a fan of it, but it's good. Hello. Oh, hello. Big stretch. Hi, Princess, you look funny, Mama. Hello, baby. Princess, can you sit, Mama? Sit. Princess, why you get so awkward? Sit. Oh, that's my good girl. Shake. No. Wait right there. Shake. shake. Nala, shake. Nala, shake. Down. No, down. Oh, look at that. Look at my good girl. Princess, may I help you? May I help you, my pinky butts? Okay, Nala, one more time. Sit. Sit. Nala, listen. Listen to the words coming out of my mouth. Oh! Evil. Come on. Princess, you never follow me, Princess. Do you want to go outside, Mama? Is that it? Come on. Outside?
I'm doing the walls in the rooms.
Oh! I'm so fun. Come on, Princess. Go, go, go. I got into some pajamas, but I think I'm gonna shower. I feel like it's shower day, so I'm gonna shower. I don't know if I have any more long sleeve pajamas. These are so this is warm. I think I'm gonna have to get a short sleeve and just wear a sweater. Look at my plants. Oh, look at my lights. I've had those for like ever. Just got out of the shower. I really don't want to do homework, but like there's this assignment that's due like every week, like a long one. So I think I'm going to work on it a little bit and then go downstairs and like watch TV, just because it's like 11 something right now. What if I wore my hair like this? Like what if this was my hairstyle? I'm just waiting for the things to load. Okay. I gotta choose a decision-making case. An ethical decision-making, because it's an ethical decision-making. And my choices are decisions, life and death, abortion, the shirt, college admissions, the need to succeed, Lopes right interloper, the client list. I'm gonna choose my abortion as my case. Close. I need a new computer. This thing is like so slow. Wow, one part done. Should I take a break? I'm a little embarrassed. It's 11:37. So I've been here for almost 40 minutes. In my defense, I don't want to read right now. Like, I know what to write, but I need to get information from my textbook to cite in my paper. And I just don't want to read to find like a specific little quote. That's what's stopping me. Because I need to find the quote to know what I'm going to write about it. But I already know what I want to write, and I want to know if the quote's going to fit around there. Or should I just not put a quote in this one and hope it doesn't affect me? But I also need to know a little bit more about... I actually went over my word limit. It was like 75 to 100. And I think I got like 100 something. So hopefully I don't get docked points for going over what I wrote. I'm still here. But in my defense, I've done a lot. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done 5 pieces, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm halfway there. I'm like in the flow of doing things. So I think I'm just gonna. It's 12:30, so I think I'm just gonna answer this one, and then chill. I literally I did homework this morning, which is good. And then I have to do more tomorrow, and then I can do more of this tomorrow too. Yeah. It's super easy. I just don't want to do it. It's not that I don't want to do it. It's just a lot of work, which makes me just want to like push it off. But it's good. I mean, it's good. I like it. Like, it, makes me think. about things. This is the worst thing ever. It's like 2 in the morning. My bed is made. I just wanted to get in bed and go to sleep. No.